Hello friends and welcome back to Edutube, your trusted place for mastering blockchain step by step. You've already learned the blockchain basics, how it works, its features, smart contracts, and more. Now it's time to dive deeper. Have you ever wondered why some blockchains get slow and expensive as more people use them? Or how different blockchains could work together instead of being isolated? Today, we will explore the crucial concept of blockchain layers, Layer 0, Layer 1, and Layer 2, to understand how these layers solve these challenges and prepare blockchain networks for real-world scale and use. What are blockchain layers? Let's start with a simple but powerful analogy. Imagine blockchain technology as a large city. To keep this city running smoothly, you need multiple layers working together. Layer 0 is the city's infrastructure: roads, bridges, cables, and communication networks. It connects the city internally and to the outside world. Layer 1 is the city itself, the buildings, offices, homes, and marketplaces where people live, work, and interact. Layer 2 is the transportation system, buses, subways, bike lanes, that help people move quickly without clogging the main streets. Just like a city needs all three to function efficiently, blockchain networks rely on these layers to balance security, speed, and connectivity. Layer 0, the infrastructure layer. Layer 0 is the foundational network that supports multiple blockchains by enabling communication and interoperability between them. It is often called the network of blockchains. Imagine several islands separated by water. Each island is a blockchain with its own community and rules. Layer 0 builds the bridges and tunnels between these islands so people, goods, and information can flow freely. Two of the most prominent Layer 0 protocols are Polkadot. It provides a relay chain that connects multiple parachains, allowing them to share security and communicate safely. Cosmos. It creates an internet of blockchains where independent blockchains can exchange data using a common protocol. Why is Layer 0 so important? Because blockchains on their own often cannot scale or communicate well. Layer 0 solves this by connecting diverse blockchains, sharing security resources, and allowing cross-chain applications. In practical terms, this opens doors to innovations like cross-chain decentralized finance, DeFi, where you can use assets or services from different blockchains seamlessly. Layer 1, the base blockchain layer. Layer 1 is the actual blockchain network that you interact with daily, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. Here is where the core activities happen: validating transactions, recording data on the blockchain ledger, running smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Each Layer 1 blockchain has its own rules, consensus mechanism, and structure. For example, Bitcoin uses proof of work, which is very secure but slower and energy-intensive. Ethereum is transitioning to proof of stake, aiming for faster and more energy-efficient processing. Solana uses innovative timestamping, proof of history, to achieve high speed. However, as the number of users grows, Layer 1 blockchains face the scalability trilemma, balancing security, decentralization, and scalability. Because every transaction must be verified and stored by all nodes, heavy usage leads to network congestion, slower transaction speeds, and higher fees, just like rush-hour traffic jams in a busy city. Layer 2, the scalability layer to overcome Layer 1. Limitations. Developers introduced Layer 2 solutions. Protocols built on top of Layer 1 that process transactions off-chain or inside chains and then settle back on Layer 1. Think of Layer 2 as the city's public transport system. Instead of everyone using personal cars, Layer 1, many use the subway or buses, Layer 2, to reduce road traffic. Layer 2 bundles multiple transactions into one, reducing the load on Layer 1. Popular Layer 2 technologies include Lightning Network for Bitcoin, enabling instant micropayments off-chain. Rollups, Optimistic and ZK rollups for Ethereum, which batch transactions off-chain and submit proofs to Layer 1. For example, if you buy coffee every day, instead of each payment clogging the main blockchain, Layer 2 lets you make many small transactions quickly and cheaply, then updates the main blockchain less frequently. Why these layers matter for real-world applications. The interplay between Layer 0, Layer 1, and Layer 2 is the backbone of blockchain's future. Layer 0 ensures different blockchains can connect and share resources. Layer 1 provides the secure, decentralized foundation where trustless operations happen. Layer 2 makes these systems fast and affordable, suitable for. Together, These layers address key challenges like scalability, interoperability, and user experience, making blockchain ready for mass adoption, from global finance to supply chains, gaming, identity, and beyond. Let's quickly recap. Layer 0, the infrastructure layer connecting multiple blockchains, like roads and bridges between cities. Layer 1, the base blockchain layer where transactions and contracts are processed, the city itself. Layer 2, the scalability layer that handles many transactions off the main chain to reduce congestion, the public transport system. Understanding these layers prepares you to appreciate blockchain architecture deeply and opens the door to advanced topics like cross-chain protocols, advanced scalability, and blockchain consulting. If you found this explanation helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Edutube for more in-depth blockchain lessons made easy. Have questions or want to share your thoughts? Drop a comment below. I love engaging with you all. Together, we are building your path to becoming a true blockchain expert. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.
Edutube, because education is mandatory.